welcome back to our channel. Today's class I am going to discuss about half adder. So this topic comes under combination cycle. So before entering the topic, first I recall the term what is adder. So what is binary addition, what is logical addition. So then only you understand this topic very easy. So now we move on to the session. So what is adder? So adder in the sense just adding two number. Let me consider two number 03 plus 02. The result is 05. So it's a normal adder circuit. In digital electronics, addition operation is classified into two types. First one is binary addition. Binary addition. Next one, logical addition. Binary addition and logical addition. So let me consider two decimal number 04 and 05. Just add these two numbers 04 plus 05 09. So 09 is the result. The same number I add with binary addition and logical addition. I just comparing the results. So 04 equivalent binary number 0100. 05 equivalent binary number 0101. Just add these two numbers. So in binary addition 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1 0, 0 plus 0 0. So 1 0 in the sense this LS will be considered as sum, MS will be considered as carry. So it's a binary addition rule. So 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 the result is 1 0. So this 0 is sum, carry is propagate to next bit. So carry is propagate to next bit. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 the result is 1. So 09 is the result in binary addition. Come to the logical addition. So here the first number is 0100, second number 0101. So in logical addition you just apply the property. So here OR gate is doing addition operation. So OR gate truth table 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. So not 1 0. So 1 0 comes in a binary addition. In logical addition 1 plus 1 the result is 1. Just check the property. So 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. So in binary addition the result is 0 9. In logical addition the result is 5. So in logical addition the result is 5. So it's a basic difference between binary addition and logical addition. So now come to the topic half adder. So first I draw the block diagram. So it's a simple block diagram. Half adder. It has a two input A. So this half adder just add two inputs. So A plus B. It only support to add two variables. So A and B is the input variable and it produces the two outputs because this half adder comes under binary addition. So it produces two output, one namely called as sum, another one namely called as carry. So AB is the input, sum and carry is the output. Then next step, write truth table. So write truth table for this half adder. So it's a two variable. So these two variable making four combinations of input. AB is the input variable. It makes four combinations of input 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Outputs are sum and carry. So 0 plus 0, sum 0, carry 0. 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So this is the truth table. now I need to find the Boolean expression for sum and carry using K-map. So I draw the K-map structure for sum. So it's a 2 variable. It needs 4 cells. A, B, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So first I consider sum 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, cell number 1 and 2 place 1. So there is no possibility of grouping pair, quad and octet. So it's a individual. So now I write the Boolean expression for sum. So A, B bar plus A bar B. So A, B bar plus A bar B. So this Boolean expression it like a XOR operation. So A XOR B. So sum equal to A XOR B. Then draw the K-map for carry. A and B is the input variable 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So here A and B both the values are 1, the corresponding output is 1. So cell number 3 placed 1. So it's a individual group. Now write the Boolean expression for carry A, B. So sum expression is A XOR B, carry expression is A dot B. So now I draw the logic diagram. So logic diagram for half adder circuit. So two inputs A and B. So first I draw the structure for sum, logic structure for sum. A XOR B. I used one XOR gate. Here I get the result sum. Then carry. The expression is A dot B. So using AND gate, we will get the result carry. So inputs are A and B. So it's a logic diagram for half adder cycle. So it's the implementation diagram 1. Then alternate diagram for half adder circuit using two AND gate for sum. The inputs are A, B bar, A bar B. The two AND gate output is connected to input of OR gate. So here you get the result sum. Then carry using one more AND gate. Input is AB. The output of this AND gate that namely called as carry. So we have a two implementation diagram. So first implementation diagram XOR gate used for sum. Second implementation diagram two AND gate plus one OR gate used for sum. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.